How to get a YouTube green subscription button, which is the most easier way to do it. That's what I want to show us on this video. All you need to do is to go to your YouTube application. When you get to your YouTube applications, just type on this search button here. Just tap on it and write subscribe green. As you can see, it came out immediately. Subscribe green screen. Just tap on it because it will be easy to remove the background in CapCut, and I'm still going to take us to the CapCut on how to remove it as well. Just tap on this first one. What you are going to do is, if you are using if you are using Android phone, find a way to do a screen record. If you are using iPhone, just swipe down like this and click on this button here and do a screen record. Once you record it, it will save directly to your phone. When you get to your phone, just go to your phone and come to your photos. When you come to your photos, go and look for that video that I just screen record, which is this that I screen record. All you need to do is to trim it. Just tap on it and come here and come to this. Go to the video, reduce the size of it. First of all, reduce the size only to the green screen alone here. Okay, once you do that, then you come back to the crop and then crop it to only the green part like this. Okay, once you do that, then click on done. That is up here. Click on done. Okay, save as a video. So we have it only as a video. Okay, what next are you going to do? You go out again, and how do you remove the green screen on it so that you can place it on a video? Let's go back. So after that, you have done all the cuttings on your photos. Then what you next thing to do is that you go to your CapCut. When you get to your CapCut, you open your CapCut, you skip whatever, then you do this one later. Then what you need to do is click on new project. As you can see, tap on the new project and you are going to import the video that you want to post on YouTube. As you can see, this is a video that I want to post it. I will open the video like this. Then I've already added it to the timeline of CapCut. All I need to do, I want to remove the sound so that we don't need the sound. Just for an example, this is the video that I want to put. So I now want to add a subscription button on it. I don't want to use YouTube one because I like the one that I want to screen record on YouTube. So that is the one I want to add to it. So what you are going to do is you are going to look for overlay. As you can see, this is overlay down here. As you can see, this is overlay down here. Then I will tap on the overlay, add overlay. Then I'll go and import the green screen. You can see the green screen. I will import it here, so it will be on top. You can see that it is on top of this video. Okay, that is how it look. Anywhere you want to put it, let me assume I want to put it at the middle here. What I'm going to do, make sure you tap on that green screen, let it be overlay. Make sure you are seeing this white thing here. Okay, then you scroll. Then when you get to the remove BG, you tap on remove BG. Okay, once you tap on remove BG, because you want to remove that green on it, then you click on this chroma key. You tap on chroma key, you see that you can move this chroma key to anywhere. It will remove the green on it. You see, you can do the intensity of it so that the green will not show at all at the edge. Just try and move it maybe to 90 or 100, depends on if you are not seeing the green again. Then you click on OK. All you need to do is to place it anywhere you want it to be, as you can see. So let's play the video now. Can you see? So I will not trim it. I have to trim it more so that all this one will not be there again. It will remove all this one from it, and that is the simple way to add directly from YouTube, download and put it here. So thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.